Today we're unboxing the Razer Kraken Kitty V2 Pro Quartz Edition. Oh, this is adorable. Okay, so we took off the top box, and then they have a really good illustration of the different ears that come with it. And I am going to, flip it open, and amazing packaging. All of the different pieces have cut out foam um, inserts. And we have the headset right here. It has the kitty uh, attachments on it in the box. It also has a plug-in mic, which I'm not a huge fan of. I prefer the retractable mics, but some people might like a removable one. All right, and it does have a USB plug. It doesn't have a mic jack, which is nice if you want to use it for console and whatnot. And we have the different ears here. These ones are the bunnies, and see how difficult it is to remove and replace. Not too challenging taking the ears off, and pretty simple to put on as well. And finally, we have the little bear ears. Super adorable. This, I would keep this box. I don't normally keep boxes, but I would definitely keep this box to store the earpieces and the headset when not in use. Let's see what's underneath. We do have the paper insert, an envelope, and it probably has like quick start guide, some plug-in information, and it has a description of what's in the box and some Razer stickers and probably warranty information. Well, there you go. That's what's all in the box. Remember to stay curious and stay connected, and see you next time.